Carly, touch his eye. Put it back on there. Oh. No. What are you doing? Are you turning it? Could put the frog's head back on. Put his head on. Turn it. Grayson! Grayson! Mickey Mouse is on. You can't get him. Grayson! You need help? Turn it. That's it. It's on. He's looking at you. Can you touch his eye? He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Ribbit. What's a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That's Grayson's medicine. Leave it alone.
I want to put it in your mouth.
No, you don't want to put it in your mouth.
Hey, Mommy.
Ha